Welcome to Get the Math. Before you can solve a word problem, you have to set it up. And that means deciding, what is x? Here is the big idea. X is always the thing you know the least about. It is the value the problem gives you no direct information on. Everything else in the problem gets described, in terms of x. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. Tickets. A school sells student tickets and adult tickets to a play. Adult tickets cost $2 more than student tickets. They sold 200 tickets in total. So, what do we know the least about? We are not told the price of either ticket directly. But adult tickets are described as $2 more than student tickets. That means student tickets are the base, the one with no extra information attached. So we let x equal the price of a student ticket. Then adult tickets are x plus 2. Student tickets are x because they have no modifier. Adult tickets are built around x, because the problem describes them relative to students. Example 2. Age is. Maria is 3 times as old as her brother. The sum of their ages is 32. Again, ask yourself, which person has no modifier attached to their age? Maria's age is described as 3 times her brother's age. Her brother's age has nothing attached to it. So we let x equal the brother's age. Then Maria's age is 3x. Example 3. Parking permits. A university issued 2,750 parking permits total. There are 480 more student permits than faculty permits. Which group has no modifier? Faculty permits are not described relative to anything else. Student permits are described as 480 more than faculty. So we let x, or f, equal faculty permits. Then student permits are x plus 480. Faculty is x because it is the base. Students are built around it. Example 4. Money. Jake has some money. Sara has twice as much as Jake. Together they have $90. Jake has no modifier. Sara has twice as much as Jake. So x equals Jake's money. Sara's money is 2x. Example 5. Lengths. A rope is cut into 2 pieces. The longer piece is 5 feet more than 3 times the shorter piece. The total length is 29 feet. The shorter piece has no modifier, so x equals the shorter piece. The longer piece is 3x plus 5. Here is the pattern. Step 1, read the problem and find all the unknowns. Step 2, find the one that has no modifier, no times, no more than, no less than. Step 3, that one is x. Step 4, write every other unknown in terms of x using the words in the problem. Once you can do this, setting up any equation becomes straightforward. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. See you in the next one.